So who's ready for football season?
We are!
Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. So today we are going to make air fryer chicken wings. This is around 4 pounds of chicken wings and I have cut it, and let's see how did I cut it. And we are going to make it in our instant pot air fryer lid. To begin with, I'm just going to season it with salt and some freshly crushed pepper. It's a very simple recipe. No prep is required. Just greasing it with the cooking spray. Out of this 4 pounds of chicken, I'm putting almost half of it. I have already preheated the air fryer on 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And I'm going to just put the skin side up to begin with. It's okay even if it is on each other, because halfway through we are just going to turn it, and we have oiled this basket really well so it will not stick with each other. So if you notice, there is a line here. I have just filled it up till that line. I'm honestly not sure if this has to be like this or no, but I have made these chicken wings multiple times and it has worked every time. I'm just going to oil spray it once again. It's completely optional. So I have lined this container with tin foil, so it's easier to clean these pots. So I usually line it, and I'm going to keep this basket in it, and then let's put the air fryer lid on it. After you hear this sound, you go to air fry 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and we are going to just turn all these wings halfway through when the air fryer prompts you to do so. So halfway through, the instant pot air fryer lid just prompted me to turn the food. So I have just turned all the pieces well, and I'm going to put the air fryer lid back, and it will start its process on its own. I'm not doing anything else. So it's weekend and we didn't want to spend a lot of time making the sauces, so I just bought these sauce set from Walmart, and I'm going to use this parmesan, garlic parmesan and honey barbecue today. If you like a little bit spicy, you can always use this Asian zing. So you can see the wings have cooked perfectly, 375 Fahrenheit and 20 minutes. So I have taken this honey barbecue sauce in a bowl, and I'm just going to toss few chicken wings in this sauce. And this is garlic parmesan sauce, and I'm just going to add a few wings in this, and I'm just going to toss it over. So if you have any other hot sauce, you can just toss that hot sauce with this garlic parmesan. So here we have two types of wings ready. One is the barbecue and other is the garlic parmesan. So our wings are ready to go. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.